Hey homeowners, I'm looking at two Roofing Companies Minneapolis quotes for the exact same house, but one is thousands cheaper. Why? Because that lowball quote isn't a deal, it's a trap. If your estimate covers all 14 essential checklist points, you've got a real comparable bid. If it only lists 6, you're just holding a deposit slip. Let's break down what must be on your paperwork before you sign. Let's talk about tear-off, decking, and water barriers. Your contract should require a full tear-off and list how many shingle layers are removed. If rotted wood is found, demand a per-sheet price for replacement. In 2026, expect $60 to $90 per sheet. The estimate must name the ice and water shield brand and coverage. Reputable contractors install it well past minimum code installation requirements, especially in valleys and around penetrations. Make sure your quote specifies the exact underlayment product for a high-performance barrier. Let's talk about shingles, starters, and ventilation. The term architectural isn't enough anymore. Your estimate should list the exact brand, product line, and color, like GAF Timberline HDZ in charcoal. For top wind warranties, all components must match your main shingles brand. The estimate should specify matching starter strips and cap shingles, not generics. And don't forget, proper ventilation prevents ice dams. The contract must detail intake and exhaust, naming the exact ridge vents, box vents, or soffit baffles used. Your estimate should clearly state how chimneys, skylights, pipe boots, and wall flashings will be handled. Never accept reuse existing, that's a leak risk. Metal drip edges protect your fascia boards. The estimate must list the color, length, and confirm it's included. It should also specify galvanized or stainless steel nails and require a 6-nail pattern for wind coverage. Finally, the contractor, not you, should pull the permit with the fee clearly itemized. A quality roofing job protects your landscaping, hauls away old materials, and does a thorough magnetic nail sweep. Make sure cleanup is included in the base price. Look for a clear workmanship warranty and the exact length in your contract. And check the manufacturer warranty tier and if certification fees are included. Stop guessing. Protect your biggest investment with confidence. Insurance claims and contractor estimates don't have to be overwhelming. We're the Twin Cities' only independent roofing consumer advocate, offering unbiased video blueprints and a vetted directory. Before you sign anything, check out our free education series at theroofexpertusa.com.
I'm the Roof Expert. Subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date roofing information in the Minneapolis